started from here, you have a very free and very curvy and a very like loose kind of arrangement with various of material. And this one, and then on the second one, that will have a heavy purple dominant color. So your eye probably will draw to the purple first because the texture is also very interesting. And the last one, the shape and the nature of the design changing to very round, very soft, to all the way to very sharp and very pointy. Okay, so it's just because you change the material of the leaves. So this one is more emphasized on angles, and then that your eye will travel not only from the color, but also from the textures. And then we intentionally place the flower low and high and low and high, so it creates a three-dimensional design. Okay, so all three are very nice placed, and then now we're done. Good.